Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to auto-save and back up your project in Davinci Resolve. This is an incredibly important feature that can save you hours of work if something goes wrong during your editing session. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Davinci Resolve application. Once you've got it up and running, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Davinci Resolve menu there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Preferences. This is where all your software customization happens and where we'll be setting up your automatic saving features. After clicking Preferences, a new window will open with various settings categories. Look for the User tab at the top of this window and click on it. This section contains all the user-specific preferences that control how Davinci Resolve behaves during your editing sessions. It's the main hub for personalizing your workflow. Now, on the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see a list of different setting categories. Scroll through until you find Project Save and Load, then click on it. This is the critical section where all your saving and backup options live. Everything we're about to configure here will protect your work from unexpected crashes or power outages. The first thing you want to enable is the Live Save feature. Look for the checkbox next to Live Save and make sure it's checked. This feature continuously saves your project as you work, ensuring that every edit, every cut, and every adjustment is preserved in real time. It's your first line of defense against losing progress. Next, you'll want to enable project level protection by checking the box for project backups. Right below that, you'll also see timeline backups. Go ahead and check that box as well. These two features work together to create comprehensive backup copies of both your entire project and individual timelines, giving you multiple restore points if something goes wrong. Now let's customize how often these backups happen. You'll see an option labeled Perform Backups Every, followed by a field where you can set minutes. This determines how frequently Davinci Resolve creates a backup snapshot. Choose an interval that makes sense for your workflow. If you're doing intensive editing, you might want backups every 5 or 10 minutes. Below that, you'll find hourly backups for the past, where you can set how many hours of backups to retain. This gives you access to recent versions of your project if you need to roll back a few steps. Set this to a number of hours that gives you enough coverage for a typical editing session. Finally, you'll see daily backups for the past, where you can specify how many days of backups to keep. This is your long-term safety net, allowing you to recover much older versions of your project if needed. Setting this to several days ensures you always have access to previous project states. And that's it. You've successfully configured autosave and backup settings in Davinci Resolve, giving yourself multiple layers of protection against data loss. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.